Welcome back to the channel. Another clean with me and decorate with me. Another episode. I see you guys been loving it, so let's get into it. Our focus today is resetting the kitchen and finally having it looking put together. As you can see, look how chaotic it is. Everything that looks wrong is wrong. And before we start, I'm gonna need me a cup of tea, okay? As we wait for the water to boil, let's clear out this area, start gathering our spaces. As you can see, my teapot is struggling, y'all. If you know any way for me to remove those spots and stains and things like that off my teapot, leave a comment down below, because I really don't want to get rid of it. But I am so close to spending the money and replacing the teapot altogether. I even started looking at different styles, but I really love this teapot because personally I feel like it really complements the kitchen. As you can see, this is my favorite instant ginger tea. It's the closest that tastes like home without actually making it from scratch, and it just really gives me a little buzz, a little calm energy, so I can gather myself and be equipped for the job ahead. So we get a couple of sips, put on one of my favorite YouTubers just to get real cozy, real relaxed, to get my mind all put in the right place so I can let my creative juices come together. We're tidying up, we're putting things away from the washer, and then we're gonna just reload the washer again because truly I'm not a fan of washing dishes by hand. I'm not. And ever since I figured out how to use a dishwasher when I got married, coming from a Caribbean household, I've never went back unless needed. So there is some dishes I'm washing by hand, but it's really just pots and pans. Other than that, everything else can go to the dishwasher. Please tell me I'm not the only one. So y'all, we are cleaning the sink. I like to really deep clean my sink. So this might be controversial if you don't even know what I'm doing, but I personally love to use Fob. It's a type of like laundry detergent, but it's like soapy. It's not like your liquid detergent. Like this is old fashioned, crystal-like detergent. I feel like it gets my sink really clean. So yes, I use it in my sink, and then I use an all-purpose cleaner just to get rid of all the extra grimy stuff that can stick around my sink, and it just gets the job done before I pour vinegar and baking soda down the drain. I do this every night and it just leaves it spotless. Now we're gonna wipe down the stove. I already deep cleaned the stove a few days ago, so it's just a light spritz clean, a light cleaner. Just wipe it down real good because we did make some chicken noodle soup, so I just want to make sure it's looking clean. You feel me? Onto the other side of the kitchen, the other counter space, we're going to do the same as we did before. Clear it up, give it a good wipe down, and just prep it for the things to come. Now, this house was built around 1999, 2000, so the floor concept is not our typical floor concept that we are used to, which is an open floor pan, a big island. This kitchen has no island, but it's a very spacious kitchen. I mostly have counter space. So I've been sitting in this kitchen figuring out how to put it together for the style it is, and I finally have thought out a way to make it look cozy, homey, with a few cute decor pieces without making it too much and still giving a kitchen vibe. So I really went for a lot of cutting boards, and this particular picture I found at Goodwill in another pair as well, which was a great find because I really wanted small pictures but with like a beautiful picture, of course, like a beautiful painting on top to really bring the kitchen together. We're taking an intermission for this unboxing I got for my knife. Excuse the skin, okay? It's the end of the day. It is night. But let's unbox this knife I've been eyeballing for the longest. Let's get it. Oh! This is the knife set I've been talking about in my last vlog that I wanted to get, and I was gonna order online, but it costs for the shipping, even though I'm a Walmart member. But I digress. This is cheaper than the 12 piece. Can y'all believe that? I got this knife set for $38, while the 12 piece is $50. That don't even make sense. But whatever. It starts to go, like, it goes with the aesthetic of what I'm trying to emulate in my kitchen. And I've been so excited. So excited. So let's unbox and see what it looks like. Oh, look at that. Make something beautiful. Okay, let me activate my warranty because y'all, it's so much prettier than the picture. It's so much prettier than the picture. I feel like the picture does not do it justice. The matte finish. Oh, the gold, the B. Oh, look at that. Oh, not me using the knife to open my knives. Stay there, I'm gonna be done. I did not know these were white. And look at that. Cord. Oh, look at that. If this is not gorgeous, I don't know what is. This knife set was extremely crucial on how I was gonna decorate the kitchen. The reason being is because I've been going through the collections of Beautiful by Drew Barrymore, and I've been loving the aesthetics. Now, is it functional? I will let you know. But for now, I really got it for the aesthetics. I'm sorry. I love me a good aesthetics. And I just felt like it was going to bring my kitchen together, especially with my white cabinets. And I'm going with creams and warm wood tones and all of that. So it fit right in. I got these cutting boards at Home Goods for half the price. This is the other picture I was referring to. And I just felt like everything just came together. Now, time for the reveal.